Hey everyone, welcome to a new daily analysis video. Let's quickly start with the euro dollar. First of all, what we're seeing on the euro dollar right now is that we are on top of this trend line. We missed our demand zone. So for now, it would be possible for price to start turning bearish. And if we break below this trend line, that would mean we would create like new supply zones. We got two new supply zones if that happens. First of all, the first one is in there. The second one would be in here. So if we start breaking down from here, it would be very possible to close below this trend line, and then we could create like a new market dynamic shift where price touches the supply zone and starts moving down from there. So for now, I am just carefully watching this trend line to see if we can break it to the downside, or if we're gonna continue this bullish rally up. However, it would be very likely for price to just start doing that, to come back in the range, especially because we already took the liquidity in here, right? So that's basically what I'm watching for euro dollar now. Now if we go to the DXY, we can see like a similar scenario. So we already came out of our demand zone in there, we took liquidity in here, we're currently basically just touching this trend line again. For now, I'm just watching the DXY to see if we can break it today, to see if we can get another move up, maybe eventually even to this supply zone in there. However, if we go there again, it would also mean for the DXY that we would create two new demand zones. So one in here and one below there. However, we always want the most fresh demand zone. So for the DXY, this would be the only demand zone that would be valid for me if we close above this trend line. So if we close like around these highs in there, we would easily break it, and then we create a new demand zone where price can reach back to in order for us to move back up again. That said, moving over to the AUD US dollar, and regarding the AUD US dollar, we are also seeing some liquidity inducement in here. So we came out of our supply zone, we took the liquidity in here yesterday or a few days before. We took a small day trade in here, already hit like TP1, and currently price looks like it is going down. So this one has already been taken out now, and for now, especially if we do look at the daily time frame, we can see that price really wants to start breaking down. We got another rejection of the supply zone, and for now price is just bearish. So especially if the DXY starts breaking up, then AUD US dollar can easily take out liquidity in here and start moving down from there. Now going over to GBP US dollar, and regarding GBP US dollar, price is still bullish, but the same scenario can play out if the DXY start breaking up. Then I'm also expecting the GBP US dollar to start moving down. We already took the liquidity up there, and for now price is just in this small range in here. So I'm not really doing a lot now, I'm just patiently waiting to see if we can get a breakout on the DXY. Going to NZD US dollar, and regarding NZD US dollar, exact same scenario like GBP US dollar. It is currently still bullish, but it would be very possible for price to start breaking down from this supply zone in here. So that's just what I'm watching. Like we got this one, but we got a better one, like a better value one all the way up here. So for now, price is still bullish. I'm not gonna take any shorts right now, but it would be very possible for price to start breaking down if the DXY starts going up. That is also the same thing for gold. So for gold, you can already see I took a day trade in here. Like I already said, we got a supply zone, like a switch zone in there. Now price took the liquidity of these highs in there, and I currently took a short on gold. So I'm expecting it to go back down, to go back inside of this range. Maybe eventually if the DXY really starts to break up, we could break this demand zone. So for now I got the target in here, but if price comes back in the range, then I might even close it early. But I just want to see if we can get back to the range. Like for now price is bearish, we got a rejection of the supply zone, and I'm gonna place it on break even soon, but for now it just looks bearish to me. Going to Bitcoin, and regarding the Bitcoin, we could see that price is just at these highs. So let's remove some things real quick. And regarding Bitcoin, we are still in this supply zone. So as you can see, we are in this supply zone for now. If the DXY also start moving down, the Bitcoin can also make a pullback. But what I'm expecting for the Bitcoin is to take some liquidity first. So as you can see, we already have like quite a lot of highs in here, quite a lot of short liquidity. And those can easily be taken out. However, we don't really see a rejection that I want to see. Like usually you want to see first of all the longs being taken out and after the shorts being taken out. So for now both things can still happen, but since price is still highly bullish, I'm expecting like another high break, another leg up. And yeah, for now it's not really doing a lot, but I am expecting a scenario like that to get like another leg up, to break like the 70, maybe 73k level. and maybe eventually create a new all-time high. Like for now, we are just stuck in this supply zone, so I'm just carefully watching, monitoring what we are going to do. And yeah, that's the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.